The space race, the Cold War competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, brought innovation not just into the aerospace realm, but into everyday life. Here are 8 technologies that came out of that period, and 3 you thought came out of NASA, but really didn't. Satellite technology and GPS. Satellites were developed as a way to communicate with spacecraft and relay information back to Earth. Today, satellites are used for a wide range of purposes, including communication, navigation, and weather forecasting. The Global Positioning System, GPS, was developed to navigate and track the position of spacecraft. Now, the average consumer uses GPS for navigation, while farmers use it for precision agriculture. By combining GPS location data with readings from sensors on farming machinery, farmers are able to determine crop yields in different areas of their fields. Composite materials. The need for lightweight material that could withstand the extreme conditions of space led to the development of advanced composite materials. These are now used in a wide range of applications, including aircraft, automobiles, and sports equipment. Material. Innovations in shock absorption materials, coupled with robotic and extravehicular activities in space, are now being adapted to create more functionally dynamic artificial limbs on Earth. Water purification systems. Water in space is precious, so systems are developed to recycle and purify it for reuse. These systems are now used in such settings as hospitals, disaster relief efforts, and developing nations. The electrolytic silver iodizer, developed by NASA in the 1960s, is widely used on Earth to clean recreational pools. Smartphone cameras. Experiments miniaturizing cameras for use in space led to the active pixel sensor now used in the standard smartphone camera. Today's smartphones also employ embedded web technology used on board the International Space Station to conduct experiments remotely or over the internet. Wireless headsets and virtual reality. Astronauts need to float free, hence the development of wireless headsets. Earthbound high-resolution virtual reality systems use the head-mounted panoramic display developed to let astronomers and geologists study 3D images of other worlds. Medical equipment. The space race led to the development of medical equipment that monitored astronauts' health during long-duration missions. Plus, digital imaging technology developed for use in space helped create CAT scanners and radiography. The Internet of Things. From embedded web technology came the Internet of Things, remote wireless connectivity between devices in smart homes, smart cities, and wearable technology. Insulation material. To combat extreme temperatures in space, NASA developed insulation from aluminized polyester called radiant barrier, used today in home insulation. Plus, the foil blankets draped over athletes at the end of a grueling event evolved from a lightweight insulator NASA developed to protect spacecraft and people in space. 3 things not invented for space. Urban myths link NASA to many materials and gadgets. In fact, the agency didn't invent Teflon, Velcro, or the powdered drink mix 10. Teflon has been around since the 1930s, Velcro since the 1950s, and Tang was on the market just as NASA was finding its feet. Mercury astronaut John Glenn drinking Tang in orbit as part of an experiment did, however, do a lot for the brand. NASA may not have invented these products, but it helped to popularize them. Having your product associated with astronauts in the space race connected it with science and discovery.